So our fridge is old. It came with the house when we bought it. It's from 2008, and I put in a thermometer, and it was at 43, but I just opened it. So obviously that's not the right temperature for a fridge, and it started getting less cold and less cold. So looked online to see how to fix it, and hopefully I can fix it. I'm not really the handy type, but I know this doesn't have anything to do with food and travel. Well, actually food, because you're storing food in a fridge, but I am going to show how to fix it to save money so that you can eat out more and travel. Hopefully this helps somebody else that needs to do this instead of calling a repairman or buying a expensive fridge when you can fix it for a $40 to $20 part. So just need a drill, unscrew all these screws in the back. Of course, always unplug your appliances when you're working on them. It's kind of tight in there. It's an old plug. There we go. So I'm guessing it's this starter relay right here. So it's quite hot, but let's take off the, this is the safety pin. Take off the pin. Just try and hook that. Got it. There it is. And it's connected to the capacitor. This is the capacitor. And I'll try to take it off. Hold on. As I suspected. So this is the start relay, and when you shake it, it rattles. That means it's usually burnt out and broken. So I ordered one on eBay. Hopefully, yeah, this one's shaking too. Not good, but anyway, hopefully it works. So pretty much put it back together the same way. This little hole here goes on that tip, so just line it up, and it's got two prongs like a plug, so you're pretty much just plugging it in. There we go, so it's all lined up. Plug it in, then get that same wire, and it's also plug and play. Clean it off, really dusty. So it's one way in, plug it in. If you do it the wrong way, I don't think it's gonna plug in, so it's pretty much idiot proof because I'm not very smart. And then pretty much over here you see the prongs in the compressor, and it's just plug and play. And I need free hands, so I'll go plug it in and match up the prongs with the holes in here. So I put the capacitor back on with the start relay and put the pin back on, and let's see if she starts up. Hopefully I don't set my house on fire.
You can't touch the electricity.
Nope. There she goes, she's humming. So hopefully this cools the fridge down, and we'll put everything back, the panel back, and have have an update in an hour and see if it cools down. Alright, so it has been about maybe 2.5 hours. Let's see the temperature and see if it worked. Nice, down to 39. Hopefully we can get it to 35 degrees, which is what the recommended temperature should be in the fridge. So that's how you fix your fridge, and I don't hear the clicking anymore. Before, there used to be clicking noises. Sounded like I don't know, like plastic clicking, or like getting the end of a plastic fork and kind of like clicking it together with the other end, like two forks or spoons, the ends of a plastic utensil. And it would do it every 5 minutes, so that was the hint that it was the starter relay. So I knew it wasn't the compressor because it was still kind of blowing cold air, but it wasn't as cold as it should. So that's a tip, how to fix your fridge if you ever have that problem, and that'll save you money because it's a $40 part, and if you live in the mainland it's probably cheaper for you, and you can save money. Don't have to call a repairman or buy another fridge. Peace out.